YouTube, my name is Ashley and I am the owner of LuvAandR Cute and Comfy Boutique. And today I got something super special for you, just like in all the other videos. But today we're going to be talking about the difference between drop shipping versus wholesale. So make sure you stick around to the end so that you can get all the information that you need. Okay, so jumping right into it, I'm going to be telling you the two differences when it comes to drop shipping and what wholesale is. But I'm going to do it, well, you'll see. I'm going to give you the Google definition and then I'm going to give you the lamest term, which is just in my own words. And here we go. So according to Google, dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method in which a business doesn't keep the products that they sell in stock. When a dropshipping retailer sells a product, it purchases the item directly from a third party, meaning from either a manufacturer, a wholesaler, or another retailer. They will ship the product directly to the customer. That's dropshipping. Wholesale is the act of buying goods in bulk from a manufacturer at a discounted rate and selling it to a retailer or consumer for a higher price. So simply put, this all really means that with dropshipping, you don't have any inventory. That's the beauty of dropshipping. You don't have to have anything absolutely on hand because you're working with a third party. So therefore, you can sell all of the products that you want to sell on your online boutique or in your online store. And you don't have to worry about having any of these products on hand or, stored somewhere in like your own warehouse or storage facility. When it comes to wholesale, this is when you're going to be purchasing all of your products in bulk. And you're going to be doing this with products that are bought directly from a third party at a discounted rate. And then you're going to resell those products later on without having to worry about sharing the profit with a third party manufacturer or a different type of warehouse. Hopefully, I know this was really short, but hopefully this helps you to understand the difference between drop shipping and wholesaling. And I am a drop shipper. I don't have any of the products that are in my store on hand. However, I do sample the product. So I'll get maybe one or two different samples of each of the products that I have. That way I can be able to know how the products are going to come to my customers, the type of material things are going to be, the type of quality things are going to be, and things like that. So that's what drop shipping is, whereas with wholesale, you buy everything in bulk. So instead of me having a customer that purchases one pair of shoes, maybe one nose cuff and one earring cuff, 3 items that I would tell my supplier that I need versus me buying 60 pair of shoes at one time, maybe 40 different nose cuffs, 40 pairs of earring cuffs, and then someone coming to my site saying they want 2 of everything. Now I can just subtract those 2 items of everything that I have from the big bulk of things that I have. That would be considered wholesale versus drop shipping. So let me know in the comments if any of this made sense. Let me know if you enjoy the smaller videos like this. I try to get straight to the point. So yeah, I put out content each and every Sunday at 6 a.m. in the morning. I hope you guys are having an amazing week and I will see you again next week. Don't forget to subscribe and share and leave comments for any upcoming videos that you want to see. Bye.